Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to delete a workspace in Podio. I know. You're probably thinking, why would I want to delete a workspace? I've put a lot of time and effort into it, but sometimes things change. Maybe you're no longer using a particular workspace, or maybe you've created a new workspace that's better suited to your needs. Whatever the reason, deleting a workspace can be a necessary step. So how do you do it? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of deleting a workspace in Podio. Before we get started, there are a few things you should know. First, only workspace administrators can delete workspaces. Second, once you delete a workspace, it's gone forever. So, make sure you want to delete a workspace before you do it. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Podio account. Step 2. Click on the Manage Workspaces link in the top navigation bar. Step 3. Click on the More Options button next to the workspace you want to delete. Step 4. Click on the Delete Workspace button. Step 5. Type Delete this space into the confirmation box and click Delete. That's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Podio. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.